video is resumed from last video. Enjoy! Very, very tired. It's 3:37 now. Slap me in the face. How long until we're going to be home? Mom, how long until we're going to be home?
Ask Brian, I'm trying.
15 minutes.
Another hour.
We're going to be home in another hour.
God.
I think my mom's getting getting a little tired of driving, right? Yeah.
Get out and walk.
Yeah, she needs to get up and walk. She stinks. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I was just making my video, but I just added to be continued because this is the new video. And I recorded all of this before this recording, like the starting of this video right now, like an hour ago, long time ago, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. On the way here, my brother and I played cards, but I don't think he feels like playing cards anymore. You know what? We just noticed my brother has hiccups. He had hiccups on the way to Maryland.
No, on the way back last time.
Oh, on the way back last time? Oh yeah, when
Kevin was up there.
yeah, when my other brother was up there with my whole family. My brother Brian, he had hiccups on the way back, and now this time he has hiccups on the way back. That's just very odd. I'm just bored. I don't know what to do. My feet are starting to hurt too. I don't get how Dad could drive to Michigan. Well, we do take stops, but here we don't. How long does it take to get up to Michigan?
13 hours.
13 hours. Yeah. We're not sure if we're going this year yet. This summer. We might be, we might not be. But that's just a whole different series of videos for you. We might stay up. That's not for baseball. That's just visiting my my family, my other family from my mom's side. She used to live in Michigan, but then she moved to New Jersey. Now what? Just watch the scenery. Not really scenery, it's just trees for days. Brian, what are you doing? Do you still have the hiccups? Yeah, that's what I thought. I need a drink. How am I going to hold this here? Against my chair, my brother's chair in front of me. I thought he was moving the chair back. You guys would have went like plop onto the ground. If he did that. Now I'm sitting crisscross. I have no clue why. I feel so bad for my brother. He has the hiccups. Yeah.
Hold it as long as you can.
How long could you hold your breath for? Guys, tell me down in the comments how long you could hold your breath. Because I don't know how long I could. If I get a good breath in my pool, I could swim from the shallow end to the I only did this once, the shallow end side to the deep end side, but that's underwater. When we were going to Maryland a couple weeks ago for my other brother, like we had a contest who could hold their breath for the longest over the bridge. We only got to maybe like half the way. Not even half? Let's just say, we could say 3/8. 3/8 of the way. No. Yeah, maybe. But I don't know. Well,
It's quite coming back.
I really would like. Whoa!
Yeah, I'm doing almost 80.
There's
He's gotta be doing at least.
Could they see the biker?
100. I'm doing 80.
Yeah, there's a biker going so fast. My mom's going 80, and he must be going
At least almost 100.
at least almost 100. That's very dangerous. That's very dangerous, sir. Did you hear me? No, he didn't. We don't even have the windows down. We have the air going. The air, you can see the air.